uptown. I grew up on the sidewalk while on the street talking and talking. Off New York, I go to Queens for Queens to get the food from Brooklyn. If only in Manhattan and never been took it. Go uptown to the Bronx, boogie down, strong on the island, the quick to lay around. Time to build my juice back up, pop stack up, shucks get smacked up, going down the cloud. You know what I'm about, knocking niggas off, knocking niggas out, shaking them up, waking them up, waking them up, waking them up, standing on shit, breath, go to the air, let's see if I know the legs. Shorty's here. I get cocked in the 40s career. Yeah, shit was good, that's the season. If I get with best, then it rest in peace. Somebody gotta suffer, I just might spare one. And give a brother a fair one. Stay working on peas. And I do work with these, like Hercules. Twist the southpaw, slip to right draw. Style on black door, ice the night ball. Smooth when I move like a homie. Pull the food down, big brother try to bone me. Put brothers to rest like Elliot Ness. Cause I don't like stress. Streets ain't a place for innocent bystanders to stand. Nothing gonna stop the plan out. Shit like the jail, feel like the middle. Black and real, die like the middle. Living on stage, round to school, the ass. Let's see if I know the land. Shell way around on the background, dead bodies are found throughout the town. Try to put shame in my game to make a name on me. Put it on a bullet, put it in the frame. Bust like a buckshot, get a break on 16 cats, cool. Go to war with the lights low. Pay the dues, pay the core. Never pocket still back, whatever the black, I can do whatever the max. Whatever cool, street, one deep, hot black, 10 if people like to beat. So come say hi to the bad guy, don't take the wild, I don't plan to die. It's like it's loose, and I got scoops and crazy juice. They control my man, like I am told my man. Hang out with me west, I'm trying to play on that war a lot. I don't want to die, but I'm more to shot, I'm gonna blow a lot. When I go beat, the smoke will never clear. Areas in the air, just hit the fear. Living life too close to the edge, hoping that I don't delay. No time to yawn, showers on, powers on, play for school, catch the train, learn simple style, whisper my name. I push up like an exercise, check the intellect and the best style. Select the best one, pull to the side, keep it occupied for the rest of the ride. Freedom of reservation already through. Just meet me after school, on the road until your mom calls home. And you'll be calling me out, dope Capone, sweat me. She didn't wanna let me loose, forgive me. That's if it was simple to juice, cause the streets wait me. So I take my girl off 50. There's a lot of niggas hate me coming out of the building. They set me up, straight with automatics. They wet me up, and funnel blood. I lay low for the edge. I guess I didn't know the ledge.
Thank you.
We'll be right back.